Hey y'all, I had to run to Dollar Tree today to pick up some school supplies for my son, so I thought while I was here I would go over to the nail aisle and see if I seen anything new. I did notice a few things like these nail polish removers that I'm showing you here. I usually never look at the nail polish that they have over here on these shelves because they're usually always the same. But I did spot some new colors like the one that I just picked up that looked at like some new shades to me. That one was a Sassy plus Chic. But yeah, I did end up picking out one or two of the new color nail polishes. I did spot a few new packs of these press-on or glue-on nails. Those were cute. They were like a matte pink. This is the color I ended up picking. I thought it was a nice like color for Halloween. It had that really pretty shimmers of gold in it. So I thought that was cute. Okay, quick story time for you guys. So while I was in one of the aisles here at the Dollar Tree, there was a girl and her mom in the aisle as well. And I heard the little girl telling her mom that she has a TikTok. And she was like, yeah, LuvNailsNicole. Now, I have stickers on my car that has my YouTube, Instagram, TikTok. And I was like, yeah, that's me. And she was like, hi, you know, and her mom was like, nice to meet you. And I just thought that was really cool. So sweet of her to look me up while she was in the store. So if you're watching, girl, hey, and thank you so much. Okay, so back to shopping. So as I went down the aisle some, I seen this new color shade, which is really pretty, like a denim blue with some sparkle in it. And I'm just now realizing I did get that one and it was not in my bag. So it must have rolled off somewhere and the cashier didn't put it in there. So I'm going to have to go back. Those little glue-on nails in different colors were so cute. I did put them in my basket, but I ended up putting them back because, like I always say, most of the time they never fit my fingers, so I put them back. So this black new color shade did look new to me because I haven't noticed it before, but I thought that would be a cool color for Halloween as well. It did have some pretty holographic glitters in it. I cannot believe they had this Revlon Flesh foundation stick. I wanted to try it so bad, but I wasn't sure if the color of the foundation was that color of the container, that brown color. It had a name on it, but it doesn't let you know if it's like dark brown, light brown, or anything. So I didn't get it, but that is something new that they have there. I did spot some more of the glue-on nails in different colors. So that was all the nail goodies that I spotted there. Not very much, but I hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you did, make sure to like and subscribe.